everybody. Welcome to BOA Week 3. I sent out the objectives and questions this morning, so you should receive it in your email as an attachment. Download it and start working on your SurveyMonkey questions. We're going to do probably 3 or 4 of them today. I sent out in that email was instructions to go on there to SurveyMonkey and post your first questions. What week is Mod 120 in? That's the question. The answer is week 3. So please do that today, Monday. Okay? By the end of the day, make sure you do that. Okay, so let's do the first SurveyMonkey question. It says, if a wedding dress costs $350 to create, and I sell it with a markup of 79%, what will my selling price be? So it wants to know, this wedding dress itself cost me $350. Okay? I want to sell it with a markup price of 79%. So I know the percent. So remember what we do with percent. 79 over 100. And what we don't know is this information. Okay? So we're going to make our little X there. Okay. Or question mark or happy face, whatever you want to put there. Okay. So, again, you guys, you should know this formula by now. Take your handy-dandy calculator and you multiply what two numbers? If you said 350 and 79, you are correct. 350 times 79 equals, and then divide by 100. Divide by 100 equals. So, 276.50 is the markup. Now it wants to know, what will my selling price be? Well, my selling price is going to be the 350 that I paid for plus the markup. The markup is 276.50. So my selling price is going to be these two numbers together. So together it's, again, 626.50. Use calculator, or you could just add it yourself. So I'm going to sell the wedding dress for $626.50 at a 79% markup. Okay, that's what that means. All right, so that was number 1. All right, number 2. Creepy. Get some alcohol on it. That's good enough. All right. Number 2. A guitarist from a famous band wants to sell his guitar for charity. He bought it for $280 and wants an 85% markup. So $280 is what he paid for it, and he wants to sell it at an 85% markup. So we need to find out what is 85% of the 280. So again, you take cross multiply, 280 times 85 and divide by what's remaining equals 238. Okay? So what he's going to sell it for is the selling price, or his price, plus the 85% markup. So 280 plus 238, and that is a total of $518. So $518 is what he's going to sell his guitar for charity with an 85% markup. Okay, so that was number 2. All right, so let's do number 3. We'll go to 4 today, and then tomorrow we'll do 5. All right, number 4. Oh, I didn't do number 3. Sorry. Let's go back to 3. A gold hat cost the store owner $25. He sold the hat for $65. What is the percent of his markup? Okay, so this is a little bit different. The information we have is that he bought the hat for $25, and he sold the hat for $65. What's missing is, what is the percent? What is the percent of the markup? Okay? So, cross multiply. 25 times 100 equals, and then divide by what's left. Divide by 65 equals. And I get a number like this. 384615385. Now what do we do with this? We're going to take it to the hundredths place, which is here, right? And since this one is less than 5, what do? Do we make this go up, or do we keep it as it is? If you said keep it as it is, you're right, because 1 is less than 5. So it's 38.46% of a markup. Okay? So that was number 3. So a lot of this is pertaining to what we learned last week with the percents, but it's just more applying it towards markups and percentages. I think the next one is interest. It's not doing very good here.
Okay. That's liquid gold right there, you know.
Liquid gold, hard to find. All right, an iPad, number 4. An iPad cost $145, and it was sold at an 88% markup. What was the selling price? So again, $145. The markup was 88%. So we got to figure out, first of all, what is 85% of 145? So cross multiply 145 times 88 equals, divide by 100 equals. So the price that, what was the selling price? So the 88% is $127.60. So the selling price is going to be $145 plus the $127.60. Okay, so what do we get from that? It's $272.60 is what the selling price is going to be. That's an 85% markup from the original price. Okay, so that was 1 through 4. I will do number 5, maybe 5 through 8 tomorrow, and I'll see you next time.